Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll do the part 5 and that we'll see the revision exercise. So here it says evaluate. So this is the question given. You can see this also is 7 by 8 and this also is 7 by 8, the base of it. So you know the formula, that is a raised to b, that is into raised to m into a raised to b raised to n. So what you have to do, you have to add the powers, or we can say the index. So that will be minus 3 plus 2. So this stays the same. So that will be minus 3 plus 2 is going to be minus 1. Now since this is negative, so we will flip over this one. So that is going to be 8 by 7. 8 by 7 raised to 1 means that is going to be 8 by 7. Now here you can see the base is different. So here, first thing what will you do? Because this is the negative index, so we will flip over this one. That will be 4 by 5. Again for this, again here is negative, you will flip over, that will be 3 by 5. So now the rest to 1 doesn't make any sense. This again here we will do divided by, this is minus 2, so we'll go to flip over, that will be 5 by 7 rest to, because this is 2. So now you can see the base is the same, that is the LCM, because this is negative here. So 4 minus 3 divided by 5, and this will be, the square is for both of them, 5 square and 7 square, that will be 25 by 49. So this is going to be 1 by 5, and this is division. So now we'll make it to multiplication. Since we made it to multiplication, this will get flip over. So that is going to be 49 by 25. So now this is multiplication. We cannot simplify it further. So we'll write here 49 by, see here we have to, because this is multiplication, you have to multiply this, the denominator also. So that is going to be 125. Solve for x. Now you can see the base is the same. So here, because this is multiplication, you're going to add the index. So that is going to be 3x plus 1 plus 3. This stays the same. Again, this is the same. So this is going to be 3x plus 4. Again, both the same. So now we can see the index. This will be equal to this one. So that will be 3x will be 10 plus 4 will be minus 4. So 3x is going to be 6. So x is going to be 6 divided by 3, which is going to be x will be 2. Now here again, here you can write for this one as 5 raised to 2 into this one x plus 2. This 5 raised to x minus 4, and this 125 will be 5 cube raised to x. So now here, there are two terms over here, so it should be multiplied by this one, 2x plus 4. So this is 2x plus 4. This stays the same, and this is going to be 3 raised to x, because a raised to m divided this one into n, that will be, this should be multiplied, so that will be a raised to mn. Now we will write this the same. Here you can see again the base is the same, and this is multiplication, so you can add the index. So that will be 5 in raised to x minus 4 plus 3x. So this again the same, this will be 4x minus 4. So now you can see both the places the base is the same, so the index should be equal to this one. So 2x plus 4 is equal to 4x minus 4. So this will be 2x, this will go here, that will be minus 4x, that will be minus 4. This will go this side, that is going to be minus 4. So this will be minus 4 plus 2, that is going to be minus 2x. It will be minus 8. So x will be minus 8 divided by this minus 2. So this will be 4. So this minus and minus becomes plus, because minus divided by minus is plus. So x will be 4. Here again, here evaluate. So you can see the index is negative, so we'll make it to positive. So here this is going to get flip over. So that is going to be 3 by 2. This is minus, but either you write even this, if it is like this, when you get flip over, this will go here, but plus divided by minus also is minus, and minus divided by plus also is minus. So this stays. You can also write this minus over here. This becomes positive. Divided by, again this is negative, so this you are going to flip over. So that is going to be 27 by 4 raised to 2. So now what you can do, you can write this 3 times and this also 3 times. That will be, the power will be 3. Again for this one we can write here 27, we can write 3 cube. and this you can write as 2 square. Why did we write like this? Because here we have 3's and 2's. So this will be 2 because 3 into 3 into 3, that is 27, and 2 into 2 is 4. So again, this we'll keep this part as it is first. This we can make it to 6. And again, see here, this is square and there is a bracket. So this also, both of them you have to multiply by 2. So you have to be careful with this step. So that will be 3 raised to 6 and it will 2 raised to 4. Later on, what will you do? This will keep the same. This is division, you are going to multiply it, and since you are multiplied, this will get flip over. That 2 raised to 4 will go in the numerator and 3 raised to 6 will go in the denominator. So now what you can see here, see this one, this 3 and 3. So this is division. So what we can write here, minus 3. And here we can do here one thing, that will be 3 minus 6. And for this one, this is 2 and 2. So this is division. So because you know a raised to m divided by a raised to n, that will be a raised to m minus n. So 4 minus 3. So minus will keep at the side. So this is going to be 3 raised to minus 6 plus 3, that is going to be minus 3. And this is going to be raised to 1, that is going to be 2. So minus as it is. And this part, that is 3 raised to minus 3, if you make it to positive, that is going to be 1 by 3 raised to 3. That goes in the denominator. And this 2 is already in the numerator. So the answer will be minus 2 divided by 3 raised to 3 means 3 into 3 into 3, that is going to be 27. So why did we write this one and not keep here? Because they have said evaluate. Evaluate means you have to write the final answer. Now look at this one. This is negative, so we will flip over. That will be 4 by 9 raised to 2. Stays the same, 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 same. And this raised to 0 means this is going to be 1, because anything raised to 0 is 1. So 2 by 7 raised to 0, this is going to be 1. So now we'll write this the same. This we can make it to 2 raised to 3 divided by 3 raised to 3, and this will be 4 into 1, that is going to be 1. So now this part we can also write this one, 2 raised to 2 divided by 3 raised to 2. For that, 2 raised to 2 divided by 3 raised to 2 means we can put in the bracket directly 2 by 3 raised to 2, what is here. And this one extra bracket I have done, this one square bracket, because this is extra 2. And now this will be multiplication. So this part is going to get flip over. So this will go numerator, this will go in the denominator, and this 4 stays as it is. So now see here, we can write for this one as 2 into 2, that is going to be 4. This is the same. This is the same. So this will be 2 raised to 4 divided by 3 raised to 4 into 3 raised to 3 divided by 2 raised to 3 plus 4. So this now we can see here, these 2's together, that is going to be division. So that will be 2 raised to 4 minus 3. So that is going to be 2 raised to 1, that is going to be 2. And here, if you want, you can write this step, 3 raised to 3 minus 4. So that is going to be 3 raised to minus 1. So this is here. So here you can write this step if you want. 2 raised to 4 minus 3 multiplied by 3 raised to 3 minus, and then you can write this one plus 4 as it is. So now this is in the numerator. This we have to make it to positive. So this will go in the denominator plus 4. So now you will take the LCM of this one. So that is going to be 14 by 3. So that will be, when you divide this one, so that will be 4 integers 2 by 3. Now let us see how to do this one. We have to simplify this one. So that will be, you can see the base is the same. So 5 raised to 3 plus 8 plus 11. So that will be 5 raised to, this is going to be 22. Here we can do one thing, this minus will take outside. For this 6 we can make 2 multiplied by 3 and raised to 4. This will keep as it is along this one side. So why did you do here 2 into 3? Because we can see here 3's and 2's. So now we can see here this minus we can put here for this as well as this one. So minus 2 raised to 4 into minus 3 raised to 4 into this one 3 raised to 5, and this is going to be 2 raised to 4. So this, we can do one thing, we can keep this as it is. This is multiplication, so that will be minus 3 raised to 4 plus 5, and divided by this will be 2 raised to 4. So this will be minus 3 raised to 9 divided by 2 raised to 4, and this is what we can do if it is changing the side. So this will go on the other side, that is going to get divided because this is division here. So that is going to be minus 2 raised to 4. So what happens here? 2 raised to 4 and this gets cancelled. This minus divided by minus becomes plus. So this stays here, that is going to be 3 raised to 9. So be careful with this problem because here is division. So this goes on the other side, so that gets divided. Here we'll keep as it is. This becomes positive 1 by 2 raised to 3 and this becomes 4 raised to 2. So this is 3 raised to 2. This is the same. For this one we can write here 2 raised to 2 and this will be square of it. This is the same, this is the same, and this is going to be 2 raised to 4. So here this is the same. This becomes, this is division, so that will be 2 raised to 4 minus 3. So that is going to be 2 raised to 1, that will be 2. So that will be 9 into 2, that will be 18. Here this will make it to positive 1 by 5 raised to 4. This is going to be 5 by 4 raised to 4 and this will be 2 raised to 8. So this the same. This will be 5 raised to 4 and this is going to be 4 raised to 4 into 2 raised to 8. So this and this gets cancelled. 2 raised to 8 divided by, for this one we can write here, for 4 we can write here 2 raised to 2 raised to 4. So this will be 2 raised to 8 and this is again going to be 2 raised to 8 and this will be 1. Now we'll simplify this one. So what you can see here, this is all plus in between and you can see 7 raised to 23, 24, 25, 26. So we can take, which is the smaller one, 23. So we can take 7 raised to 23 here. So here what remains here? That will be here when we are simplifying it. So when we take common, so 7 raised to 23 into 1, that is going to be the same, 7 raised to, so here will be 1 plus. Now for this part, we'll write 7. Why? Because 7 raised to 23, when we write 7, multiply by 7 raised to, this means here is multiplication, 7 raised to 1. That becomes here, you're going to add it because a raised to m into a raised to n, that is going to be a raised to m plus n. So that is going to be 24. So usually we don't write here 1, but that is understood, that is 1. Now for this part, so what will you write here? 7 raised to 2 because 23 plus 2, that is going to be 25. For this part, we are going to write here 23 plus 3, that is going to be 26. So this is the important step, divided by 16. So now this is the same, 1, 7, this is going to be 49 and 7 cube means 7 into 7 into 7, that is going to be 343 divided by 16. This is the same. When you add this one, that is going to be 400 divided by 16. So this will be 16 ones are 16, 25s are, so that will be 7 raised to 23 into 25. So by this one we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of other parts. Thank you.